Hey guys, I hope you guys are having a beautiful week. So as you guys know, Pandora had dropped some new charms on the 2nd of April. And you know, I had to go and grab it because it's Pandora time. It is Pandora time. So sit back, relax, and if you have your tea, which I definitely have mine. Why did I sip like that? But this tea is good. It's hibiscus. Anyways, we're going to get right into these charms that I grabbed. And let me know what you guys think. So right here, we have Lady from Lady and the Tramp. One of the classic Disney movies that represents romance. And if you guys know this movie, you remember when she and Tramp got together and they had some beautiful kids. I feel like this charm represents love and romance and family bonding and trust. It is very beautiful. I love the detail of her collar and her ears move. Let me see if I... So her ears move, which I thought was so cute. I love the details of her face, her beautiful eyes and nose, and the cute little collar she has, a beautiful teal blue. I like this piece. It would go perfect with a nice golden bracelet from Pandora. Very beautiful. Let me show you guys a closer up. And this is how she looks. She is so gorgeous. I love it. Here's the back of her. Very detailed, very beautiful. This is one of my favorite Disney charms that they came with. I like it. They came with it this time, Pandora. I like this one. Now, this charm was very fancy schmancy. Okay, let me see if I can do a 380. It's what they call a 380 with this charm. Let me see if I can just turn this around a little bit. So this is part of the April 2nd charms that came out. And right here we're looking at the beautiful merino glass soft pink caterpillar. I love the details. It looked like some beautiful bubble gums going in a nice little row. And on each leg there has a beautiful diamond piece. And if you look at the eyes, so gorgeous. I love it. This is really nice. If you're looking for pink, this charm alone by itself will do its justice. I feel like this charm can definitely hold a bracelet together just being on there, and then you just add merino glass or silver stones. It is beautiful. And this is one of the first charms I grabbed when I was just browsing through the collection. I knew this one had to be on my list. So beautiful. You know, caterpillars represent growth. When they digest themselves, they turn into beautiful butterflies. And you know, that's how we are. When we work on ourselves, we turn into swans. So I definitely had to have this piece. I wonder what's on the back of it. Let me see. Let's turn this around. Ooh, it's glistening. So there's not really anything on the bag. Hold on, let me take a closer look. Oh, there is something on the back. The best is yet to come. Wow. That is beautiful. I like that. That's a beautiful message. But yeah, that's the caterpillar for you guys. Very adorable. Next, I have Duchess with her beautiful babies from the Aristocats. And you see Marie. This is a Mother's Day charm that just came out. Now I have the Marie charm, and I thought this one would be beautiful to add to it. You know, nothing beats a mother's love, and that's just definitely looked out for her beautiful kittens, no matter what the circumstances were. This is so cute. I remember, don't you guys remember that movie Aristocats when they were playing on the piano? Or you remember Edgar, because he was trying to get a profit off the cats. Horrible person. But if you haven't, I would suggest you check that movie out. It is very nice. And it says Mom right here in the heart, so I really like this piece. Very nice. And on the back of this piece, it says Love You. This is truly a Mother's Day charm, the style of it. Very gorgeous. I took a risk grabbing this charm, but I'm happy I did. So this is a beautiful soft pink apple, and on the apple you see a beautiful green leaf which painted inside of a floral fuchsia color. I think this is very beautiful. The glass, the pink is very nice. You know, apple represents, you know, health and wellness, good nutrients. And what really caught my eye with this apple was obviously the soft merino pink. It kind of reminds me of the caterpillar pink, but a little bit lighter. This is very gorgeous. I love it. And I love the details of the green on the top of it. This is really nice. It's definitely giving me spring showers. I like this charm. So I checked, there's nothing on the back of this charm, but I do like the beautiful diamond right there in the middle. It's just so dazzling. It's just so classic and very feminine touch. I think you should definitely check this charm out, and you won't regret getting it either. Very beautiful. Okay, it looks kind of white right now in this picture, but it is, let me see if I can, let me turn this light off and let me see if I can show you. There you go. That looks so much better. So this is a confetti hummingbird, and hummingbirds are very symbolic. You know, it produces beautiful sounds, peace of mind, and flying is being able to go wherever you want to go, being able to take that risk. And I feel like this definitely represents it. It's a beautiful confetti pink mixed with like a bluish greenish color, but you guys can't really see it because I think it's a lighting kind of, but it is very dazzling, very beautiful, and a unique piece that I think you should definitely grab for your bracelet. Very gorgeous. So those are the charms that I grabbed, and honestly, they really did their thing with this new 4/2 of April charms for Mother's Day. I really like this collection, and I don't know what it is, but I am so crazy about that caterpillar. It's unique, it's different. I don't think Pandora has ever came out with a charm that looks like that. So I think I might be grabbing a few more, but I like the collection they had so far. And I do plan on visiting Pandora again and seeing what else they have for the collection, but I grabbed the main pieces I wanted. But yeah, that's what I grabbed. So let me know what you guys are grabbing. Are you guys into this new collection, or do you feel like you still sticking to the vintage pieces? Like, I want to know what you guys are doing. But anyways, thank you guys for watching Ashley Blaze, and I hope to come back with you guys for another video. Take care, guys.